and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the November Quilty box to unbox for you guys. If you are unfamiliar, Quilty box is a monthly subscription box. You can do it in 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions, and they have a variety of prices. This is the Quilty Box Classic. They also have a Quilty Box Mini. I will put all of the links for how to get Quilty Box in the description box below, so just click the little show more link. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. Okay, I'm gonna start out with the Bundles of Inspiration magazine. This is inside all of the boxes, and it's full of information. It's got interviews with the curators. There are tutorials in here. They also announced their new English paper piecing box as well, so that's kind of fun if you're into English paper piecing. And they have a whole section on how to English paper piece. It's super easy, step-by-step instructions, all color pictures, very nice and easy. So that is the first thing that is always in your Quilty boxes, even if you get the Quilty Box Mini, and this retails for $10. So the next thing in our box is this Clam Up zipper pouch bag tutorial, and there's information on how to make these cute little bags in a variety of different sizes. There's cutting instructions, and then there's step-by-step sewing instructions as well. And then there's a $5 off coupon code in here to get video add-on lessons so that you can get help making some of her harder tutorials. So I think that's kind of nice. These bags do look a little bit more complicated because there's some curved sewing and whatnot on them, but they are super cute, and I like that you can make them in a variety of sizes. I think these would be a fun gift for Christmas or the holidays, or even just if you have a friend who's into sewing, birthdays, things like that. So super cute pattern. And the Clam Up pattern retails for $9.95. The next thing that we have here is, here we go, a double-sided zipper. And let me see if I can do this. So these are the zippers that pull like that. And those are for the bags as well. So, and this one is quite long, as you can see. I can stretch back here. So double-sided zipper, and then it also has a zipper color chart. You can get these in all kinds of different colors, and they do offer byannie.com offers a variety of video tutorials on how to install them and things like that. I think that that's really helpful because zippers can be kind of tricky, especially if you're doing those curved bags like we just saw. And this double-sided zipper retails for $21. The next thing we have in our box is this really pretty blue thread by Aurifil. This is color 1128, and it's a really nice pretty blue color, and of course it's kind of going along with our blue theme that we've got going so far. And our Aurifil thread is retailing for $4.99. The next thing we have is a bundle of Soft and Stable, and if you've watched any of my tutorials, you know that when I'm making my bags, I tend to put in just my regular quilt batting. I do that because I like to use my leftovers, but really if you want a bag that has a little bit more structure, Soft and Stable is the perfect product. It is like almost like a little bit of a foam, but it's not super thick, as you can see, and so it really gives your bag some nice structure to it, kind of holds its shape a little bit better. So that is also in here, and obviously it's for the Clam Up zipper bags. The Soft and Stable is retailing for $6.50. Okay, and of course I always save the best for last. We have this beautiful bundle of Zuma by Tulip Ink, and as you can see, it's in all of these lovely blue colors, which matches our thread perfectly, as well as our zipper. And so I will do a close-up of all of these for you so that you can kind of see each of the designs. But as you can see, we've got a kind of green floral print. There's a blue floral print, a white with leaves, another blue kind of leaf-looking one. This is a little more aqua with pink stars. We've got another kind of blue and aqua wave. And this is just a blue and aqua kind of geometric design. And then lastly, we have a little blue and aqua hexie with the anchors again. There are 8 fat quarters in this bundle, and it's retailing for $26. So here is the contents of the box for this month. This month's box value is $78.44, which is a great deal. I think that's the most I've seen come in one of these boxes. If you do monthly subscriptions, they're $48 a month, so definitely got a good value for your money this month. Alright guys, so that is what is in the November Quilty box for this month. Again, this is the classic box. They do have the mini box option, which is a little bit less expensive, and it's usually the same type of materials, same fabric, it's just maybe a smaller pattern. You still get the Bundles of Inspiration magazine. I think my favorite thing in this month's box are going to be these 3 items. Well, actually, and the Soft and Stable. I honestly love all of these products. I'm kind of surprised at how expensive the zipper was, honestly, but zippers can be pricey, so I probably shouldn't be. The fabric is absolutely beautiful, and I'm really excited to have some more Soft and Stable in my stash because I really love this stuff, and if I have it, then I can use it in some of my bags instead of my batting. So, and Aurifil Thread is always my favorite, so I'm quite happy with this entire box. I think the contents are great. I think the project looks like it's going to be really fun. A little bit of a challenge, which I think is also good as well. So that's what's in the box for November. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so I know to keep making them for you. I love doing unboxings for you so you guys can see what's in these boxes and get an idea before you decide to subscribe. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.